Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to apply for an SSS loan for the first time. So this simple guide will help you submit your loan request without any confusion. So to begin with, make sure that you already have the active SSS account and enough posted contributions. So you need to open SSS mobile application on your phone, or you can also open your web browser and search for sss.gov.ph. So once you come here, simply hover over to the top and simply hover over to the loans section. Over here, when you hover to the member loans, it is going to show you a bunch of different loan programs, like we have salary loan, calamity loan, then we have pension loan program, and some of the other loan programs too. So you just have to select the type of loan you want to apply for. So for example, let's say you want to apply for the salary loan. So after selecting it is going to show you the definition of this particular loan. You can also take a look at the qualifying conditions, the loan related details, and the proceeding options. So once you read all of the details about this loan, simply click on the option of apply online. Afterwards, it is going to show you a form in front of you where you will have to fill out your user ID and password associated with your My.SSS account. If you don't have it, simply click on the option of create now in the bottom, then provide the information, and then you just have to simply create one, and then you can submit your application very easily. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.